Hey everyone, Josh Martinez here, and welcome to this week's idea. So this week's idea is looking for buying opportunities on the Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures for 2,694 plus ticks. Let's go ahead and break this down. All right, so we'll start with the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, which we use for longer term views, we are in an uptrend and the market is making higher highs and higher lows, and buyers are currently in control. We do have an up 1-2 boundary with a 236 retracement, making the extension the 1.618. So long term, we are expecting the market to rally towards 32541.25. So as a position trader, just buying and holding the Nasdaq 100, looking for a 6,000 plus tick rally is really like the thing to do. However, the risk is really big. The best place to put our stop is going to be 15963.00, which is below the Fibonacci 1. So a couple things that you can do to lower the risk is you just go to a smaller time frame. So this is a daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, we track the latest up 1-2 boundary in the Fibonacci's. And what we have is a up Fibonacci with a 618 retracement, making the extension the 1.618. However, we still want to go after the monthly Fibonacci target because it is closer. Now, the best place to put our stop will be below the 1 boundary. So in this case, 26819.50. Again, the risk is still really, really big. However, buying and holding for 6,000 plus ticks is really going to be the way to go. To lower the risk even further, you can go to like a 1-hour time frame, which we did here. And that's what this week's idea is. We have our latest up 1-2 boundary with a 5-0 retracement, extension of 1.618, about 2,694 ticks above the market. So looking for the target of 31492.25. Best place to put our stop will be below the 1 boundary, in this case 29160.00. Notice how this market is holding at this blue level. This blue level, for whatever reason, is pushing the market up. So support, 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 and that could be support. Now, there's no guarantees when it comes to trading, so this could lose. The market could sell off, hit that stop. So if you are to take action, make sure you trade with good risk management. You kind of know the theme here. If you want to lower the risk, go to a smaller time frame. If you want to try to find less risk than what the 1-hour time frame has to offer, go to your 5-minute time frame. We showed a video. We uploaded a few videos back to kind of went through that. You can go back and reference that. But all right, so this week's idea is looking for a 2,694 tick rally on the Nasdaq 100. Remember, there is risk involved. You should never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Always keep risk management in mind. Understand that we are not CTAs, which stands for Commodity Trading Advisors. And what that means, what we're going to share with you is research. And ultimately, what you do with this information is completely up to you. Past performance is not indicative of future returns. And what that means is there's no guarantees of a positive outcome. That trade that we just reviewed, there's no guarantee it's going to work. It could lose. So risk management is very, very important when it comes to being a trader. Look at us like a newspaper. We'll share with you our research and walk you through our trade ideas. We'll explain how we came to the research. But just like a newspaper, what you do with that information is up to you. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. My name is Josh Martinez.